What's up guys, it's Brian from J&P Cycles. Today we're going to show you how quickly and easy it is to install floorboards for your bike. Now, not only do floorboards give you a more positive feel and traction, but it makes it look a lot cooler than the stock OEM ones. Today we have these Thrashin floorboards, and they're pretty aggressive. It's a very sharp diamond cut pattern on here, and we have them for both the rider and the passenger. The other thing I like about these floorboards is that they're adjustable. So you have about an inch movement forward and back for whether you have a big foot or longer or shorter legs. Now this is a quick install. Let's get started. We're going to start on the front here. Using a 7/16 wrench and a 3/16 Allen, let's remove the rider footboard. In order to do that, we're going to take the 7/16 and hold this nut on the back, and with our 3/16 undo the Allen. When installing your new floorboards, and if you adjust these positions, make sure to Loctite these. But we're going to use those OEM bolts to put on these new Thrashin boards. Simply just align them over the stock holes and insert your bolts. With your bolts in place, you're done. Let's move on to the passenger ones. Now the passenger boards are a little bit more involved, but again, very simple to do. Now to remove the passenger board, we actually want to remove this rubber top here. The reason why we're doing that is there's these little retainer pins that we need access to. To remove these retainer pins, just take a screwdriver and push through on each side. With your passenger floorboard removed, make sure you don't lose this little ball bearing here, because we're going to use that. That's what allows that firm click and lock when you push your passenger pegs up or down. So for this step, all we're going to simply do is place your new boards into the stock position and put those pins back through to secure it. With your pins firmly secure, now your floorboards behave like normal. There you have it. It's a pretty quick and easy install. Now these Thrashin boards not only look, but they feel good. Make sure when you head over to jpcycles.com to input your bike to ensure you get the proper fitment. Now that you know how to do it, put them on yourself, get out and ride.